Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Joe Kaufman here, and congratulations on your decision to better your business, grow it, and do something a little different than you have in the past. And this marketing boost is something that I've come across. I came across about 3 years ago, and I was always doing some different marketing. I'm in the insurance space, and just looking for something to make me stand out amongst my competition because the competition is everywhere and it's pretty fierce. And this program has allowed me to grow my agency and just put a little different spin on things. So I wanted to just provide just an email drip to give you some resources to check out so you can get some massive success using this program. So stay tuned to future emails, and you should be getting some stuff from Marketing Boost from the directors as well to help you get plugged in. But this is just going to be a brief tutorial. Once you get locked in on your membership, on what you have access to. This can be the main interface. So we'll kind of start from the left to right. You got vacation incentives. This is where I've actually had the most success. I have used these as well, and I know other agents. I know other. This is for all business owners, not just an insurance business. I know other businesses have used these and have had good luck with it. But vacation incentives has definitely been where my bread and butter is. This is my Marketing Boost is my number one program for generating leads. So just to send out, so you'll get access to this, and just to simply send a vacation voucher, just go here, go to vacation incentives. You'll pick whatever country that you are in. Unless you're probably in the United States, and then these are all the different locations that you have to choose from. If you're running Facebook ads or marketing, I always suggest just picking whatever the closest location is to where you're at. Something that people can preferably drive to, because of course airfare isn't included. But these are 4 to 5 star TripAdvisor rated. It's really nice places that you're going to be sending people to. There's no timeshare presentation or anything like that they have to sit through. And basically all they have to do is pay the government taxes. But these are $200, $250, some $300 a night places that you're able to send a voucher to. And basically you're looking for people who need your service or product, and between A and B, and you're running a good business, but this just incentive to get them to take the step that they were going to take anyway. So that's kind of how everything connects here. So you got Albuquerque, Atlanta, Atlantic City, Boston, Branson, Cape Cod, Charleston, Chicago, Illinois, Colorado Springs. And we got Daytona, Denver, Fort Lauderdale, Galveston, Gulf Shores. That's a big one. Hawaii. That's pretty sweet. That's a really nice resort from what I hear. Hot Springs, Lake Tahoe, Las Vegas. That's huge. Miami, Myrtle Beach, Nashville, National Popular, New Orleans, and then they pay $43 a night. His taxes, and I'm always upfront with them as far as the taxes and what they pay, just because I went on 2 of these vacations myself and was completely blown away. We had one of them that had a hot tub in her room, king size bed, balcony, living room, kitchen. So that was in Orlando that we stayed. That's a great one. Palm Springs, Phoenix, San Antonio, San Diego, Virginia, Yosemite. So you can send that voucher to anybody. So you click whatever destination you're gonna do. Boston. You put their name, email address, phone number. It's going to send them an email with a link, professional email. Let's pick up Boston here. Just put their email or contact information in, and they're going to get a link sent to their phone, and then they're also going to get an email sent to them. And they can actually go through the entire process without even speaking to anybody. They can book the trip, they can pick the availability, everything. So it's a super cool, super efficient. Past vacation incentives. So these are ones we just switched to a new platform. I actually had 300 vouchers redeemed on the other old platform, so I have over 800. I had 400 or 500, but this is like a new platform. But these are just people who have actually activated the voucher. So pretty cool there. You can do printed certificates, where I actually print it out. A nice professional looking certificate if you want to hand somebody in person. They have 30 days to redeem it. Then there's other stuff in here. There's a chat bots. There's a ton of different. Here's a restaurant incentives. This, if you want to send a restaurant out there, it gives them buy one get one free. Various different discounts based on where they live. You put their zip code and stuff in there. Yeah, hotel savings card. It's going to give them discounts on hotels, cars, activities. That's cool. Like I said, my bread and butter's been here, but you got access to all this stuff. This is your business details, pass redemptions, subscriptions here. That's where you just, if you want to upgrade or anything like that, here's your resources. There's a ton of information in here. They can actually have them make a custom video for you for your business if there's not already one. There's the terms here. There's landing pages that are all built out, cards with funnels that they have completely built out. Ultimate marketing secrets. There's a ton of information in here. Facebook advertising. It tells you there's a whole course, free courses that are all included in your thing. Here's some must-watch videos. Member training things. There's Final Master. This member training, there's a member success. So you'll see there's a video of me in there, and there's other ones that people have done who have just had massive success with this business, with this marketing. Down at the bottom there it was. Where's my face? There I am. Yep. So there's one I did is about an hour and a half long, and I put out some really good tips and strategies on what I've done to make this successful. And then videos. So these are all pre-made videos that you can go into. So depending on what business you're in, you can go through here. Complimentary. It's always a good one. Then you download these, and they're very professional looking videos. See if I can download here real quick. So you can use these in your marketing, Facebook, social media, Twitter. This is going to make you stand out. Basically, all you're trying to do is generate conversations where you can do your sales pitch. And through Facebook marketing is what I do the most, so I can target people who have an interest already. I was like, Tahoe. Alright. So yeah, a ton of different videos here for you guys. Frequently asked questions. I would go through these. Send yourself a trip. That's what I recommend. Find one of these locations. Like, send yourself a trip and experience yourself. I recommend that for anybody who's part of this, so you can really have the confidence in promoting a great program. And then here's your support here. So that's that. So I'm going to go to show what the certificate looks like. Yep, so you get they'll get a nice professional looking email about activating. They have 7 days to activate it. We can always send another one if need be. And then they pay the government taxes, and then they have up to 18 months to book the trip. In that webinar that I did with the owner of the company, Marco Torres, I even go over a script on what I use when I'm talking to people about this on the phone. So yeah, so here's the. This just walks them through the process. Here's 3 of the places that they are able to stay at with the voucher that you're sending them. There's some hotel partners that we have here at Marketing Boost. So very impressive, just all the way around. And then they'll get a link to the phone too that they can access and go through these same steps. So that is it. I hope this helps you out. Stay tuned for some future emails. And yeah, congratulations. You guys found a winner here. I've spent money. I've spent thousands of dollars on different programs out there. This is one of the most cost affordable ones that I've found. And it's really helped my business, and I hope it helps yours. So I hope you guys have an amazing year, rest of the year. Take care. See you at the top.